The We Care Global Challenge was a special project of Henry Schein Cares where we were at 6 national sales meetings globally, and we wanted to engage Team Schein members to come and build personal hygiene kits in partnering with Heart to Heart International and Save the Children. The hygiene kits that we built for the We Care Challenge will be distributed by Save the Children, and they're going to benefit children and families in need and also girls in Malawi.
Save the Children works in 120 countries around the world, and we've been supporting children in emergencies for nearly 100 years. We are working in shelters, and for the families who are there, many of them have lost everything. When I'm working in a shelter, and when the Save the Children team is in a shelter or a community, and a mom comes up who's lost everything, when we're able to hand her the hygiene kit, it's much more than just a simple package. It really is delivering a message of love and hope to her and to her children. To be able to support her ability to care for her young children, that's what these kits are about. That is the beauty of this partnership with Henry Schein.
Across the board in every team there's been an overt acknowledgement of the fact that there's a more substantive goal in mind, which is lifting up the 10 to 20,000 people that are in peril that Henry Schein is reaching out to right now to make their experience better as they go through both man-made and natural disasters. It's a really special team.
We see so much about emergency relief efforts given current events, and this is an opportunity to personally participate in preparing kits that can help people in need. It's an opportunity to actually do well by doing good.
Every Henry Schein team member wants to give beyond what they do each and every day in the office or in our distribution centers, wherever they may be working. And Henry Schein Cares is a way to do that. It's a way to give beyond the work we do to impact the societies that we work in and even those we don't. And that's a part of our culture and a special part.
Every TSM is always really excited and passionate about the fact that Henry Schein is so committed to social responsibility, and this was just a really great opportunity for us to take a break from our day-to-day activities and go out and do something together as a team to be able to facilitate that.
Just being able to be involved from the get-go throughout the whole process and see everything come together was just an incredible experience.
Save the Children would like to say a very heartfelt thank you to all of the Team Schein members who volunteered their time, volunteered their energy to creating the kits.
The We Care Global Challenge was a tremendous success, and I'm so pleased to have seen our Team Schein members showcase their compassion, creativity, and above all, dedication to helping others. Together we built, believe it or not, 17,450 hygiene kits for people in need, nearly double our original goal. It is truly a wonderful accomplishment that exemplifies the Team Schein spirit. By working together across businesses and across borders, and with the support of our challenge partners, we are truly helping health happen.